Good morning and salam sejahtera to our honorable members of the Board of Directors. My name is Wan Nur Lokman from the HR department. I am the Senior Communication Manager at Syarikat Ayam Kampung. Thank you for giving us this chance to present our idea on how to better staff communication at work, which aim to align our working practices with the ongoing digital revolution. Today, we will talk about the need for this project, how it will be executed, and what value is expected to be offered to the. Then let me begin our presentation with main agenda. This is the agenda for this presentation. First, I will give a program overview, including its purpose, scope, and expected result. Next, I will talk about the design of the training, such as its participants, content, logistics, and strategy. I will then provide the implementation plan and key milestones as well as the attended effects and alignment of the program. Finally, I will end it with a formal request for approval. This program is essential and relevant to our current company situation. Feedback from 150 employers across various departments indicates a significant communication gap within the organization, negatively impacting productivity, morale, and overall performance. Additionally, traditional communication methods are insufficient for today's digital work environment. Effective communication is fundamental to business successes, whose communication can directly affect productivity and consistency. Here is a slide within the key communication problem highlighted by the staff poll. In particular, 50%, 55% of the respondents pointed to contradictory order from management. 50% called out ineffective and unproductive meetings. 58% cited poor cross-team communication, and 60% linked this to flagging productivity and performance. The data show that this problem happens widely across departments. It indicates that organizations with the right technology, the training program aims to improve conversation skill, information flow, and teamwork. The scope includes all business side teams and work level. People use old and new communication methods to achieve their goals. Leaders should clarify and standardize. The administration team must collaborate better and meeting must be more productive. Less confusion when delivering orders, less double work, more trust in people, and better service. We need to reduce confusion when delivering orders, minimize double work, foster greater trust in people, and improve services. In terms of training design, this program targets managers, team leaders, and all workers. Each group has unique communication challenges and needs a learning goals. The training will include strategic communication, message consistency, change communication, and management feedback. The focus will be on clear expression, accepting instruction, digital etiquette, and asking effective questions for all workers and meeting management. Active listening teams, coordination and problem-solving communication for team leaders. The training content is divided into 4 sections. Module 1 covers the basics of effective communication, including communication challenges, active listening, and message clarity. Module 2 covers leadership and management communication specifically, including delivering consistent message, giving constructive feedback, and communicating change effectively. Module 3, Digital Communication in Cooperation, discover how to communicate professionally using email, messaging service, video conferencing, and cloud technology. Module 4, Productive Meeting and Cooperation, This program is realistic and flexible in terms of delivery and logistics. Each group will be given a 2-day time frame or half-day session alternatively, and they will roll out will be spread over 3 months to avoid any disruption to everyday activities. This slide shows where the money will be spent for the program. The overall budget planned is RM185,000, which is approximately 0.5% of the organization annual operational budget of RM3.7 million. The breakdown of the allocation is as follows. Facilitator fees 45%, material and technology 25%, venue and logistics 20%, post-training support 10%. The implementation strategy is structured in 3 parts for a systematic and long-term implementation. Month 1 is phase 1, and it's all about preparation, completing material, confirming trainer, sending out official notice, and starting registration. Phase 2, month 2 and 3 will be execution, starting with managers, then team leader, and lastly all workers. Phase 3, month 4 onward, review and sustain, review and collect comment every 3 months, improve material. I turn now to the expected effects of the programs. The expected result are to increase the meeting efficiency from 50% to 90%, clarity of the instruction from 50% to 55%, team cooperation from 58% to 100%, and overall productivity from 60% to 95%. The projected gain show the plan can deliver significant operational benefits. They also show that there are direct and tangible benefits for organizational performance. This slide shows the anticipated improvement. The best improvement is the team's cooperation 42%. The meeting efficiency, interaction, clarity, and productivity improved around 35%. The plan is expected to grow production by 57%. That proves the concept is solid for business and investment as well as for people development. Communication is strategic organizational capability, not just a soft skill, and rightly effect performance. This training will address the identified challenges, deliver strong ROI, and support the company's effort to manage digital disruption in the Industry 5.0 era. I respectfully request the board approval to implement the program next month. Thank you for consideration. Thank you.